1 by 2 into 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 4. Wait, multiplication usually makes numbers bigger. Then why did multiplying by 1/2 make it smaller? Today, let's understand what multiplying fractions actually means. 1 by 2 into 8. Let's first understand what multiplying by 1/2 means. 1/2 times 8 means take half of 8. So let us take 8 equal boxes. Now I will divide these into two equal groups. So you can see half of 8 is only 4. So this is 4. This is half of the 8. Multiplying by a fraction means taking part of something. So, fraction multiplication is not creating more, it is taking only a portion. Now, let's take half of a half. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Take a square, divide it into two equal parts. So, this is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. Now let us divide it into two equal parts again. Now we are taking half of this off. So this is 1 out of 4 parts. Then it becomes 1 by 4. So half of a half becomes 1/4. Now let's try another fraction example. 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. So this is 2/3 times of 1/2 means take half of 2/3. Let us take a rectangle here. Now divide it into three equal parts. This is 2/3. Now take half of this 2/3. Now the rectangle has 6 equal small parts. Originally we had 4 shaded small parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take half of this, that is 2 shaded small parts, this one and this one. So taking one off means keeping half of the shaded region. So half of 4 shaded parts is two shaded parts. So half of 4 is 1, 2, 2, and total part is 6. It becomes 2 by 6. So now we have 2 out of 6 parts. When we simplify this, it becomes 1 by 3. This is where many students get confused. We first get 2 6, then simplify it into 1/3. So multiplying fractions means taking smaller portions. That's why multiplying fraction often makes numbers smaller. Now, fraction multiplication is not just a formula, you actually understand what it means.